YouTube, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another miniprints monthly subscriber box unboxing video. Yes, we got the May 2025 box right here, and well, we will open it now and have a look what's this month inside of the miniprints subscription box. As a reminder, I'm not sponsored by miniprints at all. This box costs me $30, $29.90 I think. Comes over shipped from Canada. Everything included, no tax, no shipping costs. Everything for $30, more or less $30. So this is quite nice because this little tiny box comes from Canada all the way to Switzerland. So if you're looking into HO scale figures or detail parts and you don't know really what you want, go get your miniprints subscription box. So now let's open the box. So as always, we have the letter, and this time I will first read the letter and then I will show you the models. Your May miniprints of the month club box. I hope that you have been enjoying your monthly mini box selections, and I very much appreciate hearing from you with your comments and suggestions. Many thanks. This month, and with a note to the beginning of construction season here in Toronto, and very likely where you are too, we have the all-new 20-feet construction office trailer. Oh wow! Printed in 2 parts, you can paint and detail the inside with as many details as you want. We also have a set of 4 Armco style crash barriers and some orange colored plastic traffic barriers to control the traffic flow. Okay, this sounds pretty cool. In a note to spring, your animal this month is a mama bear and her 3 bear cubs. Oh, that's cute. And as the weather is heating up, yes, right now in Switzerland we have the first kind of summer day. It's around 29 Celsius, so it's pretty warm outside. That's why I'm inside. And as the weather is heating up, you soon need these 2 AC compressors to keep you cool. Finally, and because I like to include something a bit on the whimsical side, is our new Dino Dig kit with a T-Rex skeleton and a paleontologist to dig him up. I can't wait to see what you do with him. I hope you enjoy this monthly selection and happy modeling. Bernard. So yes, let's see. So this time it sounds pretty big. And wow, oh wow. So yeah, here you have the 30, I think it's 20 feet construction office trailer. Wait, I will get you a little bit closer. And this is pretty big. And this is, so here you can see the container. It has windows, it has a door, it's printed in 2 parts. So, and I have to say, I already know a place where it will go on my layout, because as some maybe know and follow me on other social media platforms, I'm redoing my loading dock in section D. So I'm building it from scratch, and now I have a container that I will put on the side as an office building. So there will be the office workers and they can work inside. That's awesome. That's pretty cool. I already know where to go with this container. So that's the container. We have those 2 AC units, I guess. Residential AC compressor, yes, made in Canada. I also show it to the camera. So these 2 ACs, some details, oh yeah. And those are the traffic barriers in HO scale in orange, printed in orange. That's cool. And here we have the bear and cubs. Oh yeah, mama bear and the cubs. So this one, I will take them out. And as you can see, and as you maybe know, you can all of these models order separately. That's no problem. You can all order them from Miniprints. I will put down the link in the description, and here you can see the bears with the cups. Then here we have, oh, here's okay, those are the Dino Dig T-Rex skeleton and the digger. You also take them out, and I have to say they always printed really nice. Bernard and his team does a really great job. But I'm not sure if I will have a place on my layout for that, but maybe for a small diorama. Who knows? Maybe I can build a diorama out of it. And here we have the crash barriers. What are crash barriers? Ah, and I know where to put them. Because some days ago I posted a picture of my small diorama. I built the bridge, and they told me, you have to add crash barriers. And here you have it. Some crash barriers in HO scale. Pretty neat, pretty nice. They're a bit short. It will not be enough for my whole diorama. But, well, maybe, why not? And that's all of this month's Miniprints box. Subscription box. So you will get that box for only $30, and it comes with different stuff always inside. This time not that many figures, but that's totally okay. You have different accessories, you have some animals, you have a pretty cool container. This is pretty awesome, this container. I definitely will use it. So, yeah, that's the whole unboxing of the May Miniprints box. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friend, your family, or whoever that he has to watch this video because it's awesome. Oh, thanks for tuning in, and see you next month with another Miniprints unboxing. Cheers!